And dear students, now we are going to discuss domain, codomain, and the range of a function. Okay, let us consider two sets. This is A, B, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the elements of set A, are called domain. The elements of set B are called codomain, and the elements of set B, which are the images of the element of set A, are called range. Okay, so domain elements of set A, codomain element of set B, and range the image of set A, the element of set B, which are the images of element of set A, are called range. So here range is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it is clear. Domain, codomain, and range. Now we are going to discuss rule for finding the domain. So rule for finding the domain. Suppose fx and gx has domain b1 and b2 respectively. Then the domain of hx equal to fx plus minus gx is d1 intersection d2. Okay, and domain of hx equal to fx into gx is d1 intersection d2. Okay. Okay. Now, if you have to find domain of hx equal to fx upon gx, where you have given domain of fx is d1, gx is d2, then domain of hx is d1 intersection d2 minus dx equal to 0. Okay, and if y equal to root under fx, yeah, you can say that any expression under even roots must be greater than equal to 0. So if fx equal to the root under fx, y equal to, so fx must be greater than equal to 0. Now we are going to discuss some function. Okay, so we are going to discuss exponential function. This is the exponential function. Okay, y equal to a power x. This is the exponential function. Exponential function. So condition is that a must be greater than 0, a should not be equal to 1, or x belongs to R. So graph of this exponential function is just like this. Okay, if a greater than 1. Okay, and graph of this exponential function is like this if this a belongs to 0 से 1. So in this case domain belongs to R, range belongs to 0 से infinity. In this case domain belongs to R, range belongs to 0 से infinity. Now we are going to discuss logarithmic function. So condition for this logarithmic function: a must be greater than 0, a should not be equal to 1, and x must be greater than 0. This is the condition for logarithmic function. Yeah, you can say that for this condition logarithmic function is defined. Okay. So if this base a log x base a, so if this base a greater than 1, then graph of this function is like this. If base lie between 0 to 1, then graph of this logarithmic function is like this. Or in case 1, okay, in case 1, domain belongs to 0 से infinity, range belongs to R. Range. Here also range domain belongs to 0 to infinity and range belongs to R. Okay, so this is the condition for Lagrange function.